Hey, you! No, I'm not talking to your mom today. Move over, Mom. Yes, you're the one that I've been wanting to talk to. Hello. We finally meet. I've been watching you. I seem to be up on the screen every once in a while, and I always see you running around in the background. Are you? You're the one who leaves your toys in the most random places. Like seriously? Why are there Legos in the fridge? Come on, and a sock on the ceiling fan? How did that get there? But don't worry, no, I'm not mad. In fact, I think you're just the person I need for a super important mission. You see, I've got this idea, but it's gonna take some serious moves to execute. Think you could handle it? 1 second. Martin! So here's the deal. I've been cooking up a plan to save the world. Or at least the house. But I can't do it alone. I need someone brave, someone clever, someone who knows the art of finding fun in the most unexpected places. And someone who's clearly a pro at keeping things interesting. So here's your mission, if you choose to accept it. Come here. We're gonna go on a top secret, super sneaky cleanup adventure. But not just any cleanup. No boring stuff here, no way. This is gonna be a top secret operation clean sweep. It's all about the 3 S's. Speed, stealth, and style. We'll transform every mess into a masterpiece, 1 sock and Lego at a time. Think you got what it takes? Oh, and your mom? Forget about her. I'm giving her her own mission. The mission to sit down, put her feet up, and finally drink that cup of coffee she's reheated 12 times today. Trust me, it's a critical operation. No interruptions allowed. So what do you say? Are you in? All right, it's time to get ready for step 1 of Operation Clean Sweep. This is the warm-up phase, and it's the most important part. Why? Because every great mission starts with a great energy. And what's the best way to get that energy? A 2-minute dance-off, of course. All right, let's do this. Get on your feet. I want everyone in this room up on their feet, okay? You hear the beat? Get on your feet. If you can hear the beat, then you better be on your feet. And just follow my lead. All right, listen. We are on a mission to clean this house, and you're the perfect addition, so spin to the left and slide to the right. Now grab your wrist and say, I got frostbite! That was pretty good. I think we can do better, though. All right, let's try again. Just dance until I spin, then we'll try again. Okay, listen. We are on a mission to clean this house, and you're the perfect addition, so spin to the left and slide to the right. Now grab your wrist and go, I got frostbite! Even better. Yeah, you're doing good. But are you ready for the dance-off? It's not gonna be easy. You see, I've been told I'm a great dancer. And it's kind of hard to beat these moves, you know? So, don't know if you can. Let's find out. Are you ready? We're gonna start off with the chicken. Can you do it? Oh yeah, that's one of my best moves. Now do it with a cluck. Ready? Cluck, 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 cluck. Cluck, 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 cluck. Pretty good, pretty good. But I don't think you can beat this next move. Ready? Squeeze your slide, squeeze your slide, squeeze your slide, squeeze your slide. Let me see you do it. Let me see it. Okay. That's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's all right. I don't know. But I don't know if you can beat this next one. Okay? Here we go. Shimmy while you scrub. Shimmy while you scrub. Shimmy while you scrub. Shimmy while you scrub. Do it. Shimmy while you scrub. Shimmy while you scrub. Shimmy, 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 shimmy while you scrub. Okay, that was pretty good. I'm proud of you. You're a good dancer. You probably outdanced me today. But we'll see if you can outclean me. I don't know. Let's find out. I hope you are fully warmed up and ready, because it's time for the Clutter Collector Challenge. For the next 5 minutes, you're gonna race against the clock to pick up as much clutter as you can. And if you can pick up and put away 50 items, then you will enter level 2. All right? Let's go. Pick it all up. Don't stop. We only have 5 minutes to do this. Can you get to 50 items? That's how you get to level 2. But wait. If you can get to 100 items, then you'll unlock the Ultimate Cleanup Master Badge. Now, this might not seem like a big deal to some of you, but those who receive the Master Badge finish this challenge like pros. They're the ones with super speed. Do you have super speed? I don't believe it. You better show me just how fast you can move. Come on, let me see it. Oh, you can move faster than that. I just watched my grandma move that fast just yesterday. Come on. No, don't look at your mom. She's on her own mission, okay? She's probably trying to figure out how to hide from the laundry piles. Don't distract her. You're both doing very important work. Oh, whoops. You missed a toy. Right over there. Look. Right there. No, not there. There. Did you get that sock off the ceiling, by the way? Made you look. Okay, listen. I need your help. I haven't seen your floor in weeks. I don't even know what color it is anymore. Can you get it clean enough so I can see what color your floor is? I can't tell. Is it green? Do you have green floors? Pick up that toy right there, and then maybe I could see. Yeah, right there. Get it? No. I still can't see. I'm gonna need you to pick up more stuff. Oh my goodness, is that your dirty underwear on the floor? Are you throwing your underwear in the middle of the room? No, that does not belong there. We gotta get that into a laundry basket, okay? You got one of those in your house? Clothes, basket. That's where it goes. And then we can keep working towards unlocking the Ultimate Cleanup Master Badge. You know, only a few people in the entire universe have the Ultimate Cleanup Master Badge. Okay, fine, I made that up. But if they did, you'd totally be in the running. Oh no, wait a second. There's a problem. I've just been told that the mess monsters are gonna take my voice away. And the only way to, what was that? And the only way to get it back is if you put everything away in this room. What am I gonna do? Oh no, please, you gotta help me. If we don't act fast, I'll be stuck making weird facial expressions forever. Quick, pick up those toys, clothes, save my voice, and save the day. Oh no, I'm fading. No, look, I did it. Ah! Did you do it? Am I back? Oh, I can see my hands again. You did it! You cleaned enough to make the mess monsters satisfied. You must have hit your 50 items. If you did, that's amazing. That means you've gotten to level 2. And if you've reached 100, you are officially an ultimate cleanup master. Somewhere out there, Marie Kondo is slow clapping for you. All right, so this is it. Level 2. The last stand against the mess monsters. Do you think you're capable? If you do, give me a slow nod. Yes, very slowly. Not too quickly, not too quickly! They may sense your confidence and try to run. You see, the thing about the mess monsters is that they thrive when they're surrounded by messes. But a clean room? Oh yeah, that's their ultimate weakness. As the room clears, the mess monsters shrink and disappear. And by the time you're done, those mess monsters will be gone for good. The only way to shrink them is to do exactly what I say, okay? You need to follow every direction, because if you skip anything, they will grow. And we want to shrink them, remember? So just follow my lead. First step, go line up the shoes. When you come inside the door, where do you put your shoes? Is there a rack where you put them? Well, go there and put every shoe back on the shoe rack, making sure they're all in their correct pairs and facing the right way. Don't rush through this. Each shoe is a small victory, okay? Get them all lined up. I'll give you 45 seconds. Go, go, go! All right, the mess monsters are getting smaller. You're doing it. Let's keep this going. Your next mission, head over to the coats and jackets. Make sure every coat is hung up properly. Nothing should be on the floor. The mess monsters, they love it when things are on the floor. Oh no, is that a hat or mitten? Get it off the floor. Put it away. Quickly. Put it in the hat and mitten basket. We don't want anything on the floor that isn't supposed to be there. Every time you put something away, you're shrinking the mess monsters, okay? So keep it up. I'll give you 45 more seconds. All right, you did it. Great work. But it's not over yet. We have one last mission. You want to know what it is? The couch. There are throw pillows everywhere. We need to fix that. If you can make your couch look just the way your mom likes it, then the mess monsters will be defeated. All you have to do is put all of the cushions and pillows back into their place. Make sure they're facing all the right way and looking nice and neat. And don't forget about the blankets either. Fold them up, put them away, or if there's a certain way your mom likes a blanket to be like draped over the couch, then make sure it's placed in that spot that she likes it, okay? Can you do that? It's up to you. You can save the day today. The mess monsters, they love it when things are out of place. But once that couch is put back together and looking cozy, they'll have no place to hide. You have 45 more seconds to complete the mission. You got this. All right, time's up. You did it. You completed level 2, and you've shown that you've got what it takes to defeat the mess monsters. You followed the mission perfectly. And you've earned your place in the Clean Sweep Hall of Fame. I've written your name right here in a secret language. Thank you for being a part of the mission. You're a cleaning superhero now. Go ahead, tell your mom how you saved the day. She's gonna be so proud. Feel free to come back anytime you want to defeat those mess monsters together again. But in the meantime, click on this video next if you want to watch my brother and I battle it out in the ultimate mac and cheese war. Who makes the best mac and cheese? There's only one way to find out. I'll see you there.